What's your favorite meal to cook?
Curry
a lot
goat.
Yeah, man.
Jerk chicken.
Yeah, man. them gonna bush and bring me back a goat and I cook it up.
Greetings, massive. Hey. Wagwan, Jamaica.
I think Patois is beautiful, man. It's crazy how many phrases we've adopted into sort of the London English slang, you know, like wagwan, big man sing, those sorts of things, you know. We've got a lot.
Bro, there's loads.
There's so much.
Even like things like, you know, you might say, oh, wagwan family. Well, you know, you got people who be like fam.
Even fam, the man them.
The man, right.
Yeah.
Right, there's so many.
Even like saying like bumbleclot.
Exactly.
Bumbleclot's everywhere now.
Yeah, bro,
my favourite words.
It's funny, bumbleclot, rasclot, pussyclot, all of it, yeah?
Idiot.
Idiot, fool, yeah, you know how it goes, bro. You Jamaican? He is, bro. He's quarter Jamaican, you know?
You don't know.
Go.
Irie, everything gonna be Irie. Big one sing. Tell them.
Up in arms on my threads because I said that I'm bilingual in Jamaican Patois and English. And I'm here to tell you that Jamaican Patois is a language. It is written, it is understood. When I try to tell me that you can't understand me when me I chat to, enough people when me I talk to them out here in America, they don't understand me when me I chat. Then tell me say me talk too fast, and then tell me say they don't understand what me I try to say. You try to tell me what I mean. Exactly. Eat. Did you guess that right? Probably not. A Google search will tell you that you can actually study Jamaican Patois at Harvard University. Yeah, you think I'm lying? Individualized study of Jamaican Patois at elementary, intermediate, and advanced levels. Who do you speak to? A language coach. Yeah. Which is a shame because when I visit Jamaica.com, we start off strong with saying Jamaican Patois, our language. But then when you read further along, it says it's a colorful, descriptive, and emphatic Creole dialect. A language is a language. I need the Jamaican government and Jamaican society to also acknowledge that Jamaican Patois is a language. People are studying it. Linguistics are studying it. And yes, it's shaped by African, Spanish, French, Portuguese, and English colonial heritage, similar to how other languages are derivatives of other languages. So why aren't we recognizing our own language? I'm gonna tell you why. It's called racism. It's called racism, babe. That's what it's called. And I will not be explaining that any further.
Hello, guys. I need you to see the way Jamaican are a very top country that makes a lot of people want to follow everything that they're doing. For example, the way they are talking, the Patois language. My God. The music, the reggae music, it gives out the information about this language of Jamaican. And you get everyone is very busy and very attractive towards the Jamaican Patois language. It's very viral, and the Jamaican are going very viral because of their culture, music. I need you to watch this clip. The way people are pressing and people are sharing out their comments and their feeling towards the Jamaican Patois language. They're very much interested in their Patois language. And I need you to watch these videos, and I will be back with more comments.
Wagwan massive. Me I got try to do this video in a patois, okay? So Wagwan, my name Wes. Me come from Long Island, New York, and me did tech patois wrong at Harvard. So uno never know say Harvard have patois class, but yes, them have patois class. Me did take it in my senior year, and me take it because me just want to take liquor class, easy class for me, because me come from a Jamaican family. Our family we come from Kingston, St. Elizabeth, St. Catherine, St. Thomas. I me did want to connect with my root them because me never grew up speaking patois. And so, yeah, me just want to take the class, me just want to learn my culture, my history, and me love it. Me did study anthropology and African American studies. So yeah, it was a perfect class for me to take, to learn for my history, for my people, for my culture. And Yeah, me love it, me love it. Me love Jamaica. Jamaican TikTok, I am begging you, do not chop me for my accent. This is my regular speaking voice. I only took the class one time, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, big up.
One of the things I like about being Jamaican, when it come to Patois, a lot of the shit you say in Patois, it's no one-to-one translation. You know how many people, like when Bomba class! When that word started trending, people would be like, what does it mean, bro? What is Bomba clot? Like, does it mean fuck? There's no translation. Bomba clot is just Bomba clot. But you can't be sensitive in Jamaican. Those don't go hand in hand. Your nickname, if you're Jamaican, will be based off of your biggest insecurity. That's just how it goes. When I was little, I used to cry about everything. I'm not gonna lie, I was a crybaby. Guess what my auntie called me? Kryler. That's not crazy, bro. And don't even get me started on food. Jamaicans will make you feel bad about enjoying a meal. Imagine I had a full plate of curry goat. That's my favorite. Curry goat or jerk pork is my favorite Jamaican food. Imagine I had a full plate of that in front of me and I'm eating at an above average pace. The first thing I'm gonna hear,
wait there, watch Tyler. Rotted, you just have yam off the food, so. Him just a wax it off, yeah?
watch, am I gonna eat the plate next?
Don't forget to breathe, brother. The food not gonna left your plate, you know.
Like, I can't even enjoy my favorite meal no more, bro.
Jamaican patois literally tells us where our ancestors are from. I saw a post online the other day that said Jamaicans are not from Nigeria, but the language literally tells us another story. Whilst Jamaicans are not solely from Nigeria, we can't deny the history. Jamaicans are from a multitude of places. You know where the word una comes from? Igbo, a Nigerian language meaning you. Do you know where the word obia comes from? Igbo, meaning doctor. Do you know where the word nyam comes from? Fula, a language spoken in Nigeria and Ghana, which means to eat. Juk comes from Fula too, and it means to poke. Kaba kaba is used in Akan and in Yoruba, and it means inferior. Aki derives from Akan spoken in Ghana, meaning cashew fruit. Duppy comes from Akan too, meaning ghost. Anansi comes from Akan, meaning guess what? Spider. And Jino derives from the Ghanaian languages Akan and Twi, which means someone to not be taken seriously. Jamaican patois literally tells us that we come from a variety of places in West Africa. It's also made up of Spanish, Portuguese, and of course English, with a sprinkle of Arawak. And that's why they say out of many one people, because the language tells a story. The language tells us where we came from. And that's why it's always good to do your research.
Patois is a language. It derives from the English of the Irish indentured workers that was down there being slaves with us. It derives from the Brits that was enslaving us. And then it derives from the West African language, you know, from where we came from. If you go to Jamaica right now, there's many different languages down there because more in the city you have like, you know, more regular patois that's closer to English, but the more closer you go to the country, the harder it is to understand because it is not just English. You, like in Jamaica, people then either speak patois, like the patois English, or you have in the country there's Cromanti, or I know as kids they used to speak Gypsy, which is like Pig Latin, okay? Sorry, somebody came in the bathroom and just started shitting. I had to evacuate. But I do remember seeing this video of somebody from Jamaica going to some part of West Africa, I forgot, and they could communicate. Like, what is it like? I think it's the Cromanti, I'm not sure. Somebody please correct me if I'm wrong or add some information to this. Moral of the story, bro, patois is not just broken English. It derives from more than English and different freaking West African countries. Bro, y'all really gonna let these white people play it down, dumb it down? Come on, like y'all giving them too much credit, okay? Oh yes, also I'm pretty sure Cromanti derives from the Maroons that used to be somewhere in West Africa. I don't remember, bro. I don't remember. Somebody correct me or add on. But yeah, it's more than English.
So per my last video, I was talking about how difficult Patois can be to understand. Today, I'm back with another video. I'm gonna play a video of someone speaking Patois, and I'll see if I understand what they're saying.
She'll watch me clock in, she'll watch me clock out.
She'll watching me clock in, she'll watching me clock out. She watched me clock in, and she watched me clock out. It does have the subtitles in the video, but I'm just looking at y'all, so I don't read what they're saying. All right, next bit.
Come like she want to get that information so she can inform.
What? I have to.
Like she want to get that information so she can inform.
It's like she want to get information so she can inform. Was I right? Hold on, let me go back.
She can inform. Like she want to get it.
It's like she wants to gather information so she can snitch. Come on. Alright, next line.
So she can inform. She need to stop minding my business and mind fear own her business.
She needs to stop minding my business and mind she own business. Yo.
Hold on, Sandra, why you come sit outside of me now? And you know say me a chat on the phone.
Sandra, why you came and sat next to me now? You see that I'm on the phone. You have no manners. I swear to God, right hand on the Bible, I did not read those subtitles. I found another video without subtitles though.
Me know what hide about where me from. Everybody know me come from the blood clot ghetto.
Something about that whole first part did lose me, I'm not gonna lie. But I know she's from the blood clot ghetto. Let's continue.
I get the rat. Me the old girl.
She's
everybody know that. So me know where you come about. Me know what hide about where me from.
Yeah, everybody know that she's a hood gal. You feel me? So in the comments, to blow my mind even more, people were saying depending on where in Jamaica you're from, you have a different accent. So of course I had to do my research because what? Apparently people who are from St. Elizabeth, they dragging y'all. They're saying that y'all patois is different. But let me continue. Alright.
Now me come from St. Elizabeth and people say St. Elizabeth people have the worst part one. I mean no say nothing no go so.
She says, I'm from St. Elizabeth and people tend to say that people from St. Elizabeth has the worst accent. Well, she's from where?
The worst part one. I mean no say nothing no go so because me
in North something no go so.
Mama be and hear them and say, where you did when you say you want to go? What the is that? Where you did say you...
She would hear people say, where did they say you want to go? Which is like, you know, how you say, like, where do you want to go? But, like, they say it weird, apparently. And she'd be like, what the fuck is that?
Where you want to go? Jesus Christ. Anyways, me make my frosted flakes.
Anyway, she
cereal.
cereal.
I use vanilla last. No, me not use box milk. Me use vanilla.
Tell them about why y'all gonna ask her why she used box milk. Listen, I'm fluent.
It's good with everything, so yeah.
I'm here. Like I said in my last video, I've made it. Okay? And those videos are the levels that I can comprehend. I couldn't find any other videos. I'm sure that there's somebody out there whose patois I just probably would not be able to make out. And tell me how I did. And shit, you can't kill my pride. I feel good and accomplished. Thank you guys for watching. Anyway, from your favorite Haitian homegirl.
Let's talk about the Igbo influence in Jamaica, specifically Jamaican patois. One of the major tribes that ended up in Jamaica, or what we now call Jamaica, during the transatlantic slave trade was the Igbo people. They were among other major tribes like the Yoruba people and the Akan people of Ghana. But we're just going to talk about the Igbo influence specifically because that's what I know about. These are just some words that I found that connect Igbo and Jamaican patois, and it's just really interesting how they're just the same. For example, unu is something that I hear a lot from Jamaicans. Unu, like when referring to you people, like saying you people. And in Igbo, that means you people. Soso in Igbo means only. And apparently in Jamaican patois, they also say soso or soso. I don't know exactly how they say it, but I just know that's the word. It's also interesting how in Latin languages, solo also means the same thing. Igbo people call bed bugs chinche, and Jamaicans call them chink. Igbo people say anyuku to describe a greedy person because anyuku literally means big eye. And in Jamaican patois, they say big eye to describe a greedy person. In Igbo, onuzo literally means the mouth of a door, door mouth. And Jamaicans say door mouth to describe the opening of a door as well. Akara is a bean cake that's eaten in Nigeria and also the Caribbean. And Brazil too. I don't know if y'all know this, but So many Africans who were stolen during the transatlantic slave trade were taken from the region that we now call Nigeria. So it's not shocking when you see a lot of people with Nigerian ancestry when they do a 23andMe or something like that. So ultimately, it all makes sense.
So the Jamaicans said, I'm not saying they accent right. You know, they love patois stuff. So I'm about to learn it, y'all. I got my iPad. We about to learn some Jamaican sentences. You heard me? Let's go.
I am learning to speak Jamaican patois. Me I learn for talk Jamaican patois.
Me a learn for talk Jamaican patois.
Jamaican patois.
Me a learn for talk Jamaican patois.
Me I learn for talk Jamaican patois.
Me a learn for talk Jamaican patois.
The girl is eating her food. The gal a niam her food.
The girl a nam her food.
The gal a niam her food.
The girl a nam her food.
The gal a niam her food.
The girl a nam her food.
The place is a mess. The place chaka chaka.
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 The place is chaka chaka.
My foot hurts. I think it's sprained. Me foot a hot me. I think it's sprained.
Me foot a hot me. I think it's sprained.
Me foot a hot me. I think it's sprained.
Me foot a hot me. I think it's sprained.
Me foot a hot me. I think it's sprained.
Me foot a hot me. I think it's
The
sprained.
glass fell and it broke. The glass fall down and it broke.
The glass fall down and it broke.
The glass fall down and it broke.
The glass fall down and it broke.
The glass fall down and it broke.
The glass fall and it broke.
We have to go. Where are they? We have to go. Where them there?
We have to go. Where in they?
We have to go. Where them there?
We have to go. Where them hey?
We have to go. Where them there?
We have to go. Where them they?
Let's go. Make we go. Or may we go.
May we go.
Make we go. May we go.
Make we go. May he go.
Make we go.
Mexico. Mexico.
What time should I be there? What time if it dead?
What time maybe dead? What time maybe dead?
There are 3 different types of Jamaican patois. You got emerald, gold, and platinum. And I'm gonna give you an example of all 3. Auntie Paulette, it don't smell right. It smells stink. You do it up yourself, Auntie Paulette, you smell bad. Emerald level is really easy. 90% of the world understood what I just said. Blouse and skirt, man. Paulette, how you think some man, Paulette, it frowns, it's a blood clot. You think, I watch a big sour dirty blood clot, man. I move on. Gold level is a little bit more challenging, but I'll probably say maybe about 50 to 60% of non-Jamaicans understood what I just said. Man, I think what Paulette, you pum think the blood clot, think that blood clot drunk. Move on, go, you think that blood clot, think you put vinegar, girl, vinegar. At platinum level, only about 3.5% of non-Jamaicans are going to understand what I just said. I didn't even understand what I just said, to be honest. However, once you unlock all 3 levels, something amazing happens. You unlock a 4th level known as Super Saiyan Patois. At Super Saiyan level, you're speaking at the speed of light. You're speaking in a different time zone. You're speaking in cursive. Only dolphins and Bajans understand this level. Nobody. I'm somewhere in between an emerald level and a gold level. What level are you? What level do you understand? And what level do you speak?
So, I love a Jamaican accent. Like, I love patois. And I was thinking, like, let me say a few words. And if you're Jamaican, let me know I did. Okay. I'm from South Africa, by the way, so I feel like I can get the, like, you know, rolling of the tongue, kind of. Anyway. Bambaklat. This real Jamaican food. Real Jamaican. Me figo. Me want curry goats. Curry goats. Real Jamaican food. Me a go get Jamaican food. Me a go. Yeah, man. Me I have a Jamaican accent. I don't know, I just love it. It just sounds so Jamaican. Jamaican. Curry goats. Me a fi go.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. And if you see this on your FYP, congratulations, darling, because you have just been enrolled in Jamaican Patois 101. I am the Teach Dab Queen for spring semester 2025 here at Hillman Tuck University. And in this course, we will be learning the basics of Jamaican Patois, how to read, write, and spell it. We will also be learning the cultural impact it has had on the Caribbean, Jamaica, and on the global stage. We will include a little emphasis on Caribbean and Jamaican history. And in this course, you will be getting books to read, PDF files for your references, and we are going to have fun, everybody. So as long as everybody respects everybody's ability to learn, this course will be fun for you. It is free. And the only way you will be contributing to I and to everyone else is for you to like, share, comment, and follow, and make sure that you save it and share it with others. So first thing that we are going to do at the beginning of this is introductions. So jump to the comment sections right now and introduce yourself. Let me know where you are from and what you are excited about learning in Jamaican Language 101.
An ode to Patois. The influence of Jamaican Patois in the UK is undeniable.
So many words and phrases we use today derive from our beautiful island. So it's only right we give credit where credit's due. Wagwan.
Wagwan.
Chris Ting.
I beg you.
Afemi.
Yeah, Dinal.
Nabadami. Stush.
Bad boy. Oh, you magaso.
Cheese and peace. The brother.
My brother. I beg you, pass.
Left me. Rotted.
Rotted. Thank you. Aye, what good.
Thanks.
Turn this up.
Irie.
After my father and my mother.
Yasso.
One over yasso. Yeah, pick me. Yeah, man. Bashman. Blouse and skirt.
Dirty.
Happy Earth Strong. Yeah, crosses.
We jamming.
Come here.
Pop the show.
Don't you know who for frighten?
Bossy.
Oh, you so bossy. Talawa. In my home, Tatalisa ever. Happy Jamaica Independence Day.
Happy Jamaican Independence Day. Bow.
Why does Jamaican Patois sound like West African Pidgin? Because it literally comes from West African Pidgin. Even though the basis for the vocabulary is English, the grammar comes directly from West Africa. That's why people that can understand Jamaican Patois can understand Pidgin. The other day I showed a Pidgin sentence to a Jamaican and they literally read it in a Jamaican accent because they didn't even identify the differences straight away. So you know in English where the verb changes tense, so you say I went or I'm going. In Patois and Pidgin, the verb stays the same. So you might say me I go, me di go, or me go go. But the go stays the same. They also don't use verbs to be like is or are. So instead of saying he is big, they say im big. There's no is. Because they don't have verbs to be, they use multiple verbs without connectors. You just say im walk go buy food from the shop. Walk, go, and buy right next to each other. That also means questions that normally use words like are and is are just changed based on tone. So instead of saying are you going to eat, you just say yeah eat. But yeah eat means something completely different just because of the tone. Both Patois and Pidgin repeat words to mean a little or a lot, like dege dege or one, like bali bali or cry cry. In Jamaican Patois, you see traces of vocabulary from Akan, Igbo, Yoruba, Ewe, Fon. The grammar in Jamaican Patois was directly influenced by the slaves that used to speak Pidgin with one another so that they could communicate. They also used English as a base. And then the Jamaican Maroons then brought this same grammar system to Sierra Leone, creating what we call Creole. And that's why the Sierra Leone Creole sounds a lot like Jamaican Patois.
Hi guys. Hello guys, welcome back again. I believe that you've watched all of the video calls. It really shows how the Jamaican are so angry with the Chinese guys. And they are not pleased with the way they are doing their things, their businesses and everything that they are doing. And that's not good. You are coming from another country. If you come into our country, you should do what we are doing also. Don't come to do the things that will hinder us or make us to lower our esteems or make us to lack that courage and confidence in our own businesses. Like, you see the way the Jamaicans stood out when they find the Chinese opening the hotel and not allowing them, the Jamaicans themselves, to go and have their meals or to have just to go there, enjoy what is going on in that hotel. They were restricted and they were never given the opportunity to have their meals in that hotel. And that was the bad thing that made the Jamaicans to take action by burning down the hotel. And that's what we should do as a country. We should not allow people from other countries to come and take control over us. Who are we? We are all human beings. We need to be treated equally. We have that chance, high chance, because we are the member of the country. Why other people from other country coming, ruling us and taking over our businesses and making us to get a lot of losses? Because you can imagine you opening a business, running it at a high price, and someone from other country coming into a country and opening the same business like yours, but selling the product at a low price. Definitely a lot of people will go to that other shop and buy their goods, and that's not good. That's discouraging your own people. The Jamaicans saw that like the government is not taking any action, and they took the action at their hands, and that's how they fight for each other. And that's what we call one love. Because when you have that one love, definitely you won't encourage something that is not good for your country to go on, and yet you have the courage and the capability of stopping that thing that is going on. You see, the Jamaican is a country that does not support things that are not worthy it. They support things that are good. And you see, we need to be united. One love is one thing that you should know. You going to other country as a visitor, or you're going to stay there, or whatever the things that you're going to do there, go learn their ways. Go do the things that is being done in that country. Don't come out with their own things and start doing it, and you want it to be known and to be famous. That's not worth it, because we are all human beings. We are all in need. No one is perfect. No one knows that if I open this business and put this price, and you want your business just to go viral, and yet you don't consider your neighbors, you don't consider the people from that country, that's not worth it. And also you see the way the Jamaicans stood up for each other by not agreeing the Chinese to run their own businesses smoothly. You can imagine being given an opportunity of 5 good years without paying taxes. And the Jamaican, when they go to other countries, they have to pay no matter what. Wherever you are new there, whenever you are, you must pay. That's the thing that is being done in other countries. But you see the way the Chinese have been given that chances of running their own businesses without paying taxes for 5 good years. Definitely they have got a good and enough profit from running their own businesses. And that's something that if it could be done in other countries also, it could be better. And not only people from outside, the people from the same country need to get the same thing that is other people from other country are getting. But definitely the people of the country are being treated badly, and they must pay taxes definitely every year, and that's not worth it. You need to stand up. You need to share this video to go viral and support each other. When you support each other, definitely you will stand there for each other, and that will promote peace, will promote love, will promote that unity. And that's the thing that we need to have as we all human beings. That unity makes us to grow, make us to lack nothing. Because when you help each other and stand there for each other, definitely you will grow, definitely you will get high chances of achieving your goals and achieving everything that you need. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like. Let this video go viral, because we need to stand there for each other. Let us promote that peace, unity, love, and that's the way we shall do our things. Waiting for your comment at the comment section, and please put your thumb up, and don't forget to share, subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.